Well, me and my little family, we heading down to the mall, go see if these Bred fours are sitting or whatnot, you hear me? So come on along for the ride, let's get it. Up in Foot Locker to see what's sitting or whatnot, man. They got these things right here, man. These Air Max. I think these things right here fire you, man. All red though. Not really my cup of tea. You got the Air Forces right here, man. You already know you can't go wrong with an all white pair of Air Force, and that's how we rock. Yeah, man. Let's go check to see if these Bred fours are sitting or whatnot, man. You hear me? As you can tell, man, we still got these bad boys up in here. See what size this is, man. Oh, bear with me. Size 13, they still sitting. You know what I mean? Still got the crimson tints in here too. Laney 5 still sitting. These 8 sitting. These 4 sitting, man. Both of them, man. These the laser 4s right here with the gum bottom here.
Let me see what I got, man. I'll be right back.
Man. Yeah, man. Yep. The worst Jordan of 2019 so far. Oh, man. These cap and gown 13s, they still up in here sitting, man. You know what I'm saying? What else we got? We got black toe lows, they up in here sitting. They got pine green lows sitting. You know what I'm saying? You also got these mids or whatnot, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. But, hey, I don't see the pine. I don't see them Bred fours there, so look like they might be gone. Yeah, man. Got the Adidas in here, man. Something was sitting or whatnot, man. And that. Got the Rodgers on the kid size, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Man. Coming to the kid side, they still got the snake skin for the toddlers in here. They even got the pink joints for them, man. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. They already in here. He even got the little forms, man. You hear me? And whatnot. Uh-oh. They even got the Bred 6s in here, man. For on the toddlers, man. They still got the Laneys and whatnot. You know? Snake skin sitting for the kids and whatnot, man. But yeah, I don't even see no Breds in them, man. This is crazy. I don't see no Bred fours for them, man. That's crazy. Oh, I take it back. They do got one side. Look like they got one left, man. This is a grade school, man. What size is this, man? Hold up real quick. I'm pointing at the shoe on. What size this is? This is a 5.5 in grade school, man. It's still here, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, they still got one left, man, that I can see. They got the 10s in here, these 5s, snake skins, man. But yeah, man. They still sitting, man. Or whatnot. But for the majority, it look like most everything been gone, man. Everything got gone out of here. Might be that one pair that's sitting with these fours. So that lets you know if you didn't get your pair, I feel sorry for you, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you did. So let's go in here. Let's go check out some other stores and see if they sitting somewhere else, man. All right. About to check to see if the Bred for sitting over here in Hibbers today, man. So come on along, we'll take you on the walk with me. Right here, man, you can see we got some even like one. We got these peach fours. I think that's what these was or whatnot, man. For the lady, not for the man. We got these. Look like this the ladies section anyway, man. Might be the ladies kids section anyway, you know what I mean? Check it out. And yeah, we do have them, cuz they are sitting out here in Heavy Sports, man. Can you believe it? These is the grade school size too, man. This is a 7U right here. They got these things sitting too, you know what I'm saying? These cap and gown 13s, you know what I'm saying? They sitting 2 size 7 over here that I can see. They got snake skins sitting in the grade school size, man. Lanes, whatnot, you know what I mean? Let's go ahead and take a trip around to the men and see if they sitting over there too, you know what I mean? As you can tell, I'm not the camera person today. See, they sitting over here too, man. On the men's side, let me go ahead with these. What size is this? Size 9.5. They sitting. You know, I've been to a couple of other stores, man. They wasn't sitting though, bro. They were gone. I'm surprised they still here. This is a classic OG shoe, man. It's an 8.5. So they got an 8.5 and a 9.5 sitting over here. That's nothing here. Just like everything else, man. We got the crimson tint. Like damn Peter said, these ass rippers. Yeah. Size 13, man. Shit. Got these 9s sitting in here as well, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. They all Also got the black toe low sitting here. You know, to me, man, if you want to keep your OGs on dead stock or whatnot, man, grab these lows or these mids, man, and rock them, bro. You know they cheaper too, man. You know, but they got the cabin gown 13s also sitting in the men, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not about to get into the size of them or whatnot, but yeah, man. Like they got these 8s or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? We got 4s up here also. We got these 6s up there. Man, they got a couple of 6 rings or whatnot, man. You know what I'm saying? We got LeBron James in this bitch too. You know, we got some LeBrons in here, you know. Yeah, man. Some more LeBron James. I can't mess with it though. These ain't my thing. Ain't my thing, man. Ain't my thing. But, yeah, man, that about wrap it up, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, out of the 4 or 5 stores I've been to, it looked like out of 3 of them still have Bred for us in it. But man, to honestly tell you the truth, man, these things, they selling out, bro. So I guess if you got your pair, if you want a pair, man, come down to Hibbert Sports if you out here in my area, man, and concoct these things, man, and get these things off the shelf, bro. As an OG, there's no reason they should be sitting. But other than that, man, it's chaotic kicks, man. I'm out of y'all. Peace.